Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another air fryer preparation. Now today I'm just going to use a popular brand of store-bought frozen mozzarella sticks, and I'm going to show you how I air fry them and what they look like and taste like. And so the first thing I'm going to do is take my air fryer thing out. I've got the little crisper tray in the bottom. You can see it in there. And I'm going to put all of my cheese sticks in here. I'm going to arrange them so they're kind of on the same layer, just a single layer. So you can see here I've got all my cheese sticks in there. And what we're going to do now is put them in here. Some people say, do you preheat? Sometimes I will preheat my air fryer, but for this case, I'm just going to do 380. Or let's do 390 for 9 minutes. So air fry 390 for 9 minutes. And we're going to let those cook, and then we're going to come back and we're going to inspect. Again, the degree of crispiness is open for personal preference. So we're going to see how 9 minutes at 390 does. Is it going to be crispy enough? Will we need to put them back in? Let's let this run for 9 minutes and we'll see. Okay, so they're almost ready, and we're going to take them out and see what we've got, if it's crispy enough or if we might need to do a little bit more. So it's finished. Ooh, they got a nice brown. Oh, these are perfect, I can tell you. Now, be advised, these things out of the air fryer, you can hear them. They're just like sizzling because they're hot. But, you know, part of my air fry with IrixGuy series is that I like to just take it right out of the air fryer and share my thoughts with you. So we're going to take one of these out. First thing I want to do is hold it close to the camera here so you can kind of see the coloration. I think that's perfect. So the cooking time and temp that I used for the air fryer, I feel was perfect. Now this is super hot, so and I tell you what I'm going to do, I'm going to sit these right here just so they stay warm. In case this one's not done enough, crispy enough rather, then I can do them a little bit longer. But I think this is going to be on the money. Okay, I'm brave enough now. We're going to do a crispiness check. Now you really want to get fancy with this. Dip it in some marinara. And there's a lot of brands of frozen cheese sticks. These particular ones, they came with marinara, and all I had to do while I was air frying is put that marinara in a warm bowl of water, and it thawed to the perfect temperature. So I've got that on this one. Let's see. And again, I'm getting this crispiness without any grease dripping off of it. You know, when you air fry, you get that crunch. Yes, sir. Look at that. Got my marinara, got a bunch of cheese sticks. So again, when you use an air fryer, you get that crunch, but you don't get all the grease. And I'm not trying to say this is healthy. It's a ton of cheese and marinara, but it's a great thing. You know, you want a game day food, get you an appetizer put together. You saw how quick and easy that was. And cleaning up, you know, the beauty of this, clean it out in the sink a little bit, and then I put it in my dishwasher because it is dishwasher safe. So if you're looking for the air fryer accessories, recipes, I've got a ton of recipes. Air fry with IrixGuy rather. I've got a playlist on my YouTube channel. So everything from cheese sticks to fried chicken and, you know, vegetables and chicken wings, you name it, I've got it all there, and I'm growing my list on a daily basis. So again, this was simple, just frozen cheese sticks out of the freezer. But man, that crunch and that flavor, definitely something that would be a crowd pleaser. Tell me what you think within the comments below, and be sure to subscribe when you do. Ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. And again, to find the air fryer and the accessories and recipes, expand this video's description and then click the link there. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for IrixGuy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.